Eh di,
Buhay na buhay.
36, 38. Oh, kahon. 39, kahon. Ano ba? So mga 38, 30 to 41. Di ba? Anyway, yun yung punto doon, no, na yes sir, yes secretary.
Mr. Chair, I'd just like to clarify yung statement just to be more accurate. Nung bumaba naman yung taripa, bumaba din yung world price. Bumaba din naman, Mr. Chair, yung presyo ng bigas sa merkado. Hindi lang ganun kabilis as expected or hindi ganun kalaki. Just to
Yes, bumaba. Siguro naman bababa, kalahati na yung nangalahati na yung presyo ng bigas sa world market, hindi pa bababa.
Pero
Chair,
ang isang pananaw doon pa, mura na yung bilis sa magsasaka eh. Kaya bumaba, mura eh.
Kaya bumaba, kaya bumaba
Yes,
yung
yes.
MSRP.
Na sinet ni Secretary.
Okay.
Sige.
So
Pwede-
go ahead. We now give the floor to
Okay.
Senator Marcos.
Ano talaga ang plano ng pamahalaan tungkol dito sa taripa ng bigas? Kasi eto nga, nakita natin, hindi naman automatic. Pag binagsak ang taripa, hindi naman automatic na bagsak kaagad ang ating presyo sa merkado. Hindi ba? Tama yun. Aminin natin, yung sinasabi na halos automatic ng mga ekonomista, ng mga mahuhusay, talagang hindi naman automatic na nangyayari eh. Kundi talagang halo-halo yan. Yung importasyon, yung bagsak yung presyo ng palay sa 8, sa 5, yung sinasabing SRP na kung minsan sinusunod, kung minsan hindi. Since then, it's very, very clear, mula noong July 2024, the prices have continuously decreased. Sabi nga ni Chairman, mahigit sa kalahati. At alam natin na nasa 1640 per kilo this July 2025. So, ano ngayon ang mangyayari? The suggestion ba or may plano ba talagang ibagsak from 35 given the decrease in farm gate prices? May plano ba talaga kung malaman natin? Kasi nababasa natin yan na ibabagsak from 35, ay itataas from 15, ibabalik sa 35.
Mr.
At
Chair.
kailan yung mangyayari? Kasi nabalitaan na natin ng 60-day import ban. Hindi na mag-i-import sa susunod na linggo. So isasabay ba dyan yung sinasabing pagtaas muli ng taripa? Kasi yan ang inaasahan ng ating mga magsasaka.
Mr. Chair, basically yung nag-meeting kami when we were in India,
Oo.
the decision was the immediate solution was short-term solution is to stop importation by September 1 and no issuance of SPSIC for 60 days. Then with some economic managers nandun present, the idea is to watch muna after a month kung ano yung epekto, then to keep an open mind pa rin dun sa adjustment in tariff. It was discussed naman lengthily, hindi naman maikli yung aming meeting at all options have been discussed, including increasing tariffs, no, from
So we're expecting po by October 1, may aksyon tungkol sa taripa. May pag-asang itaas muli.
may decision siguro, or of course
Decision
Pero-
whether to
I cannot put words into
Pero hindi
the
ba
mouth of,
hindi ba huli sa timing yan?
hindi naman Mr. Chair.
Kasi mag-aanihan na naman. Eto na naman tayo.
Hindi, meron din option din na pag-usapan na dagdagan yung stoppage.
I-extend.
Longer yung stoppage.
Longer than 60,
Yes.
you're saying. So
yes.
take it all the way up to December.
Maybe 90, maybe
Up to
100,
90.
or again announce another stoppage before next harvest season.
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanungin kasi, magkano ba talaga ang koleksyon ng rice tariff sa taong ito na 15% lamang? Magkano ang koleksyon ngayon?
My understanding is from 2024 when it was
Ah.
imposed until today, about 25 billion has not been collected. Tama.
Pero ngayon, yung pinagsak sa 15, magkano na? Magkano?
Hindi namin, Mr. Chair, hindi kami sure sa
O
data.
parating nahuhuli eh.
Nahuhuli. But,
Oo.
Andito at
More or less. More or
Maybe
less.
10 billion.
May
Hindi.
As of
representative
June, 10 billion.
with the permission of Senator
Ay,
Marcos.
Eh,
May andito ata ang DOF. Do we have representatives from the DOF?
It's about 9. O 9 eh.
Wala. Ayon, can you please come to the mic so that introduce yourself, ma'am? 10 billion.
So,
You can stay here.
What is your name again, ma'am?
Director La Rosa
Okay,
from the Office
Director
of
La
the
Rosa.
Chief Economist.
Okay, go ahead. The question is
So,
directed to you.
from January to July, we have 10.9 billion.
January to July
Yes.
Ay, pero
at
yung
15%.
At 15%.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
What did we lose?
Teka, dapat ang bilang yan mula July 2024 hanggang sa ngayon. Nung binagsak
Okay,
yung taripa sa
Fro-
15.
Yeah, from July to July,
Oo.
what is your data? So January to July is 10. What about July to
To
December
December.
last year? At the lower tariff.
Siguro, kahit wala tayong klarong numero, ang klaro, kapos ito sa mandated na 30 billion para sa RCEF. Yan ang maliwanag, di po ba? Talagang kakapusin. Dahil may 30 billion tayo na mandated na ipapasok sa RCEF na inaasahan ng magsasaka na tulong sa binhi, sa mga makinarya, sa kung ano-anong abono na hindi dumarating. Abay, kung 30 billion yan, sabihin na natin optimistically na nasa, ang pagkaalam natin 9 billion eh. Ako, ang pagkaalam ko kasi.
Chair,
Yeah.
bali 16 billion
Anong
ang nawala
mangyayari?
last year.
Yes?
16 billion ang nawala last year.
Okay.
16 billion.
Please address the chair before we
Yes
speak,
po.
no?
Yeah.
Before that, you
Yes,
have the
Mr.
figure
Chair. We have 21.6 billion.
total
Yes, so
from
July to
collected
July.
from July 2024 to July 2025.
Yes,
Again, 20.
21.6.
So you lost 20% of that. How much is that?
Yeah. But Mr. Chair, kasi kapag bumababa din yung taripa,
Tumataas.
di ba may tumataas din yung demand? May
Hindi.
Demand for
dami din
imports.
sa demand.
Yun.
Oo.
Pero ang ibang
Oo.
usapan yan, eto na naman tayo sa mga ekonomista na hindi naman nangyayari sa totoong buhay.
Nag-grant
okay.
lang sila eh.
Pero ang maliwanag, sabihin na natin 21.6 billion na nakolekta, naghahanap tayo ngayon ng kulang ng 8.4 billion. Tama po ba? Saan manggagaling yan?
Sa general fund. Kasi ang understanding ko sa
Pupinoin na lang sa general fund, Secretary.
Go ahead, DA, Secretary.
Mr. Chair, as far as 2026 is concerned, our budget, nandun na ho ang nakalagay sa President's budget is the 30 billion for RCEF ho, Mr. Chair.
30 billion? So, nalilito kasi ako sa inyo eh. Kasi kung minsan minimix ninyo yung RCEF at saka yung regular rice program, national rice program. Klaro ba yan sa
Yeah.
line item?
Yes, very clear, Mr. Chair, sa line. I was actually very happy na nakita ko yung lumabas.
So how much is there in that?
30 billion under
30
RCEF.
mismo. So you're assuming zero collections?
Ah,
Palala naman ang
hindi naman-
palala to.
Hindi, ibig sabihin,
Ibig sabihin wala na yung tariff ni 15%. Patay tayo nito, boss.
like 2025 gaan namin, ang under RCEF, Mr. Chair, was only 10 billion. So yun lang yung
Ah.
guaranteed makukuha namin. Tapos,
Hindi kasi yun lang yung balance, di ba? Yun yung
Oo.
cushion.
pero,
Ang mahirap ngayon, kung nasa budget, parang masamang balita. Happy kayo, pero hindi kami happy. Paano ibig sabihin?
well,
Magsisiro taripa na tayo?
I
Ha?
mean,
Tapos yata yun.
well, Mr.
Kasi
Chair, hindi naman siguro.
30 billion eh, aasahan na lang sa GAA? Tama ka ba yan?
I'll ask my USEC to
Saan ko
reply.
nga, hindi na kukunin dun sa taripa?
Yeah. Actually po, yung 2026 natin, ang appropriations cover natin na pre-propose at in-approve naman ng Presidente is 30 billion in accordance with the law. Yung 30 billion ho na yun, kukunin pa rin ho yun doon sa taripa. Doon pa rin ho sa taripa yun kukunin.
Hindi
Yung 30
ganun yun.
billion.
Earmark yun sa batas. Hindi
Opo.
ka.
Opo,
Pero
pero
nilito ninyo kami. Huwag kang ganyan.
po,
In
Huwag
other
kang
words,
ganyan.
20 billion na sinasabing for the RCEP is still to be secured.
secured by the GAA po.
Well, it
meron
will
pa
be
rin, oo.
funded by the collection still.
Nasa,
And so far, your collection is only 10 billion.
yes.
So meron ka pang kinakailangan kolektahing 20 billion between now and December to be able to fund that.
Oo.
Unless you want to fund it continuing appropriations
said-
next year.
You
Ang
said
nandun
the
po.
GAA doesn't work that way. Naka-earmark yan
Opo.
sa standalone bill.
Opo, tama.
Hindi yan manggagaling sa general fund. Yung GAA general fund, ginugulo mo yung usapan.
Opo.
Walang ganyanan. Kasi
Hindi po.
kapag yung sinabi na yung buong 30 billion manggagaling sa budget, ibig sabihin, zero tariff, papasok lahat ng imported rice na wala ng taripa, miski 15%, wala na talagang magpapakamatay na lahat ng mga magsasaka niyan. Wag naman kayong ganyan. Biglang nagising ako eh.
Secretary, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, actually, I think that is there at the 30 billion because the agreement during the time that the new RTL law was previously amended, the economic managers also promised na kung ano man kakulangan nung 30 billion sa collection ay pupunuin ng ating DOF and Treasury ng National Fund. So I think that is the
Yes,
basic.
Secretary, I was privy to that conversation between Secretary Recto as well as Senator Cynthia Villar. However, yung pupunuin, hindi namang ibig sabihin yung buong buo na zero yung koleksyon at zero yung tariff. Nagulat naman ako dun sa 30. Siguro naman kahit 20, 15, maniniwala po ako. Pero kapag 30 bilyon ang manggagaling sa GAA, ang duda ko, may plano pa kayo mag-zero tariff? Katakot naman ito.
Definitely, Mr. Chair, walang planong ganun.
Okay.
Thank you for the clarification.
Gusto ko lang sabihin rin, yung budget na national, malayo tayo sa RCEP na nakakanervyos. The budget for the National Rice Program has doubled from 15.774 billion in 2022, if you recall, and then naging 30.2 noong 2023, at ngayon sa 2024, 30.89, nagdoble na siya under the present administration. And 21 sa 2025, di ba? 22 basically. So despite the increase in funding, the rice output has actually declined. Yun ang tinatanong ko. Halos doble ang binibigay ng Pangulo sa DA. Bakit yung rice output natin nagmula sa 19.76 million metric tons noong 2022, bakit naging 19 million metric tons? Lumiit pa ng halos 10%.
Mr. Chair, unfortunately, that is the data is correct, no? At well, I can attribute that to El Nino and La Nina next year. Ang sama talaga ng production natin eh. But actually, if you for this year, mukhang babawi naman tayo at maganda yung ating output this year, better than even 2023.
So what's your projected harvest, Apo Secretary, 2025?
20.450 million metric tons.
Yes. Okay. How much? Sorry again.
20.450 million metric tons. No?
So
20.450, yeah. From 2023, 20.06 if I recall.
so kasali na ito yung September, October, yung papasok na ani.
Yes.
So ito yung projected ninyo.
Yes. So last year was a fluke talaga, Mr. Chair.
Kahit may 16 na bagyo pang darating.
Yun lang.
Sabay dasal po, sabay dasal.
Dasal na lang tayo,
Sabay
Mr.
dasal.
Chair.
So, maybe that's what I need to get from you, Yusek, kung maaari. Ano yung breakdown ng National Rice Program? Alam na natin yung mga PhilMec at iba pa dyan sa RCEP. Yung National Rice Program, medyo malabo. Yung tinatanong kanina, yung mga abono na hindi dumarating, how much are we actually spending? Yung ano